Alright guys, tonight rather, I am installing this Carista Evo into the 2025 Tacoma. So I can change settings and also check codes if they were to pop up. So we'll get it installed. So you got the user manual, and here is the OBDII reader. And keep in mind, guys, this is a Bluetooth reader, and you do have to pay for a subscription. But what I'll probably do is just pay for a month, get the settings that I want, and then cancel it. And if I ever need to use it again, then I'll just resubscribe. All right, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so here's what it looks like, and here is where we plug it. Right here. So I got it plugged in, and the light is blinking. Light's blinking. Excuse the mess too, y'all. I haven't had a chance to clean this Tacoma up. Just making sure it's connected properly. So on the back of the owner's manual or user manual, there's a QR code for the app. So I'm gonna get that now, and I'll be back. So I just paid for the monthly subscription, and now I am officially connected to the Taco, and it's now checking to see what customizations are available for it. So once this is complete, we'll go from there. Alright, so here's what we got, y'all. Most popular modifications and settings: chassis and engine, dings and warnings, driver assist, heat and AC, instruments, displays and nav, lights, automatic exterior, interior, locking beep and blink, door alarms, locking smart key, windows and sunroof, and other. So I know the main one I want to turn off is the seatbelt warning, because that thing is a mess. So let's turn that off. For my side and the passenger side. Speaker. Let's try turning this up just to see if it sounds different. Alright, for now I think that's all I'm gonna do, y'all. But y'all stay tuned, and I'll let y'all know how it's going. I'll give y'all an update.